box has arrived. My name is Kaaramary and today's video is an unwrapping. I focus a lot on building my channel around sustainable fashion and holistic living, and that's sort of an aspect that I work on, but I also work towards my career as building it around textile and being a textile artist. And then recently this year I finished a special cross stitch that has taken me 1 whole year to complete. 1 whole year, and I got it framed and the box has arrived, hence the unboxing video. So I've done this with ModaFraming. ModaFraming does custom framing for any photographs, work like this, like a cross stitch, or any other item that you want framed. They have beautiful frames that are antique or modern, any style that you're looking for. You go to Moda and the Moda family is there to help you right away. This is the first artwork I've ever gotten framed, so it's a very special moment for me to see like something that I worked on for really long to get it like professionally done. And I'm really excited to share this moment with you guys and do this unwrapping together. I will open it now. Can't wait to open it. Okay, I'm gonna open it. This is like Christmas. Okay, this is like Christmas. Okay, so first impressions. I love the box. Looks simple, modern, clean. Okay. Uno. No. Tres, dos, uno. Wow. Oh my god, it's so beautifully done. Wow, what is this? So it comes with this nice special bag in here. Oh, look. Wow. Okay, this is so well packaged. I loved how they put together the frame in the middle, the nice cute note, and then this little bag. Look. Okay. Wow. Oh wow. Ta-da! Whoa! It's so beautifully crafted. They framed this so well. Like the cross stitch, like the fabric was larger than this, so and it's just like the perfect size. Where should I put it up? I don't know. I do have, it could go next to my painting. I am so happy and pleased with the outcome. I love how it looks and I couldn't be any happier. Wow. Like I said, this is very special because it's the first time I've ever had an artwork framed this way and professionally done, so it feels very rewarding and I can't wait to show my family. I'm gonna send them pictures. Alright guys, so this has been the unboxing video. I hope you've enjoyed it. And please make sure to come back to the channel, subscribe, give it a like, and make sure to check out ModaFraming.com. I'm looking forward to uploading this year more for you guys and sharing more of like the process of living out a holistic lifestyle, incorporating environmental choices into the things that we buy, eat, shop, and make.